Question 3. If the sum of this expression is s, and s can be calculated in this formula, so if I use the formula 1 squared plus n into 25 squared, it will be easily calculated. Just need to substitute n is 25. Equal to 25 times 25 plus 1 times 2 times 25 plus 1. And then over 6. It will be 25 times 26 divided by 6, and then this one is 51. Okay. This is factor of 5 plus 1 is 6, so it's factor 3. So 2, this one is 17, and this 2, this 13 become 25 times 13 times 17, and you get an answer star. Part B, 10 squared plus 2 to 25 squared. So this formula just for you to calculate 1 to n squared. So how can you calculate this? You can add something and delete something, okay? Actually, you can 1 square, 2 square, up to 10 square. Add this part, okay? And then minus back the first part. Because you add something, you have to delete them. Otherwise, the value will change. This part is star. This part 1 to 10 square is 10 times 11 times 2 times 10 plus 1 over 6. And also can be calculated. So the final answer you can calculate yourself. And number 4. This is a geometry problem. You can always draw a circle inside any triangle to touch the three sides at one point only. Touch, that means just touch one point. This circle is called inscribed circle, or we call it in circle. Let h1, h2, h3 be the three heights of the triangle. Heights. This height with this base, this is height with this base. And r be the radius of the in circle, and the relationship among them can be expressed in the forward formula. And just find out in part A, just substitute value. Given that the lengths of the three sides of right angle triangle are 6, 8, and 10, find the radius. That means you need to find the heights before you finding the radius of the inscribed circle. Some correction. 10 to 25, so have to 1 square to 9 square only is enough, but not 10 square. If I add 10 square, it's complicated. It will be duplicated, so it's 9, so it's 9, this 10, and this 9. Okay? So try to calculate, we calculate. Okay, I give you some hint. 6, 8, 10, if you draw it, is right angled triangles. That means you can easily find the heights of, if 8 is base, 6 is heights. If 6 is base, 8 is height. And you want to find h3, the third height. Note that this is not half, okay? And if you're considering area, you will be able to find the height. So I pause it, and please pause it. So if you have done it, let's check the answers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Considering the area. Area can be calculated 8 times 6 over 2. It can calculate it by 10 times h over 2. These important skills. So 48 will be equal to 10h. H will be 48 over 10. That means 24 over 5. Okay, this is h3. So h1 is 6, h2 is 8, h3 is 24 over 5. So I can use this equation to find the r. 1 over r equal to 1 over 6 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 24 over 5. That means this 1 over 24 over 5 is 5 over 24. Because it's 1 divided this one, and then you change the sign. Then let's change all this with base 24. Okay, you need to multiply by 4 and multiply by 3 here. So add together is 12. That means it's 1/2. 1 over r is 1/2. That means r is 2. Okay, so the radius will be equal to 2. This is a hard problem, involves many skills.